Okay, so variable A has a value equal to the number of letters in your first name, variable B, number of letters in your middle name, variable C, number of letters in your last name. This statement assigns the value of A times C to the variable B. Well, let's just assume you have 4 letters in your first name, 5 in your second name, and 6 in your third name, your last name. Okay? Then A has value 4, C has value 6. You multiply them together, and you get, I'm sorry, it's A times C. I multiplied B times C. And I did that intentionally just to let you know that you got to keep an eye on me. Okay? So, as I said, A is 5, B is 4, and C is 6. So A times C is 30. Right? Okay, nobody brought that to my attention. How many of you noticed? Okay. The rest of you just accept whatever I say, right? Oh, you're in big trouble. Okay, so, now A times C is now 5 times 6. B is 30. So we assign the value of A times C to B, and now B is 30. So that we get to this step where we assign the value of B plus the value of C to the variable A. Well, B is 30, and C is 6, so we get 36. I got that one right anyway. Okay? And then there's another one. It says if B is odd, then we assign the value of B plus 1 to B. Okay? But B is even. It's not odd. So we don't do anything. We don't, we stop right there. B is not odd. We don't care what happens. Okay? If B was odd, this would make it even, wouldn't it? Okay? So there's a lot I can do with these kind of assignments that mixes up the variables and sometimes the things that you have to do in a problem. That way, you can't just copy down somebody else's homework, right? Because people will do that. Okay? It's dishonorable. It's dishonest if people do it. I think it's a bad sign for our culture. Social commentary aside, it's also really bad for you if you do that, okay? So for all those reasons, these things get mixed up. Okay, so anyhow, then, example problem, find this. Now, the 2 backward apostrophes around a letter mean that this stands for the value of the variable B, not the letter B, right? If I say find B squared, well, you just write down B squared or B times B or something like that, but you don't have a number. If I've got the backward apostrophes there, it's the number, okay? So you replace this by the number. And in this case, B is 30, so this stands for the value of B, so B is 30 squared, 900. Okay?